guys, I'm Aman and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to build an RC robot that can actually avoid obstacles. So yeah, let's just begin the video. So guys, this is the RC or the receiver of our robot, and this is the remote control and the transmitter of our robot. So guys, this is the battery, it's a 3.7 volt battery, and this is the battery we're gonna be using in our machine today. So now guys, I'll be gluing the motors onto these pieces of hardboard. So yeah, let's just do that now. Here's the first motor, just gonna be placing it onto the board. Yep, just like that, and yep. So guys, just attaching the other motor onto the board. Yep, just like that, maybe. So guys, I'll be attaching this motor over here, but first we'll just attach these wheels. That's one of them, still trying to find the other one. So guys, just attach one of the wheels, and would you look at that, I found the other one too. Yay! Nice. Anyways, I'm just trying to attach this motor over here, so it can control the upper arm, which will actually trigger the climbing mechanism. So guys, now I have attached this piece of popsicle stick over here to connect with the other side of the robot, which will actually help us climb on stuff. Yeah. So guys, just trying to put this piece of paper tape onto the body of our robot, and it will act as a hinge to make the climbing mechanism able to move. So guys, now that our hinge is ready, I'm just gonna be attaching some spare wheels, which will help our robot able to move smoothly. So it will act as a bearing actually. So these are nails attached to the wheels and with some paper tape at the end, so it would actually fit properly into the hollow tube. So guys, just gonna be gluing that hollow tube onto the body of our robot. So just gonna be applying some glue over here, and then putting that piece of hollow tube onto the robot. Yep, just like that. So guys, now I have attached this piece of hollow tube over here with the help of some nylon cable ties, and attach some ties onto the freewheel section too, so it's a lot more sturdier than before. So now guys, I have attached this piece of metal wire to the popsicle stick. So the wire would go into the hollow tube, and the stick would actually attach to the motor to make the climbing mechanism able to work smoothly. Yeah, so it would be a lot more easier for the motor to make it move. So guys, now our robot is actually ready, and now let's go ahead and test it. So guys, here's the robot, just working, barely. Okay, now I have attached this 9 volt battery over here, so it would provide more grip to the wheels, which actually drives the robot. I'm just trying to make it up there, and 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, it worked. It worked. Nice. Oh yeah, got that one right, Mr. Nice Guy. If you like my content, please be sure to like and subscribe my channel.